If you want to make a change to your documents, I want to say first and foremost, do not write on your legal documents. There are laws on the books that state that any sort of writing on a will or a trust or power of attorney is to be disregarded. It also states that if the originals can be found before the alterations were made, that has to be used as the binding terms of your will and trust. So that part is a very frustrating fact about estate planning documents. You can't go in after the fact and scribble out a name and put in a new one. The benefit to that, and the whole reason that's there, is we can't prove, and the law can't prove after you're gone, that you in fact were the one who scribbled a name out and changed it. Because anyone can go in and scribble out a name on a piece of paper and alter the documents. I run into it quite frequently that people will write on their documents if they've changed their mind about a term of their will, trust, or powers of attorney. Maybe they wanted to change who their agents are, if they wanted to change beneficiaries, proportions, if they wanted to cut someone out altogether, if they've already made a distribution of a gift under a will or trust, or they wanted to alter the agents under power of attorney. It's a very common and very tempting thing to do, is just to want to scratch out on the document itself that you are getting rid of it. However, there are laws set up to ensure that any changes made are by you. Any scribbling out, there's no way to verify that you were the one who wrote on your document and that it was, in fact, your intent to remove that trustee. Even if you do this in front of witnesses, it unfortunately just is not a valid alteration of your document. The laws on the books are to disregard any handwritten notes or any alterations of a signed legal document, and as much as possible to find previous versions where the unscribbled out portions can be discerned, and those unscribbled portions remain enforceable. All that being said, in order to make an alteration to your documents, you do need to hire an attorney to draft legally compliant amendments of whatever you are changing. Laws change, family situations change, and to go back and visit with the attorney allows them to look with a fresh set of eyes and with a knowledge of the most recent laws that may have passed since the last time that you've put together your estate planning documents. They can apply the new laws that have passed and the new legal landscape to your situation each and every time.